Suppose a given line is x minus x1 upon a equal y minus y1 upon b equal z minus z1 upon c. It is very important formula. Note point. Now, suppose a given line is in the form x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. Then, in order to find any point on this line, we firstly let it is equal to lambda. Then we find the value of x minus x1, which is a lambda, y minus y1, which is b lambda, z minus z1, which is c lambda. Then x equal x1 plus a lambda, y equal y1 plus b lambda, and z equal z1 plus c lambda. This point x, y, z represent any point lie on this line. Means any point lie on the line x minus x1 upon a equal y minus y1 upon b equal z minus z1 upon c is in the form x1 plus a lambda, means x1 plus a lambda, comma y1 plus b lambda, comma z1 plus c lambda. Now, question number 9. Find the points on the line x plus 2 upon 3 y plus 1 upon 2 equal z minus 3 upon 2 at a distance of 5 units from the point 1, 3, 3. We know that the formula any point lie on the line is in the form x1 plus a lambda, comma y1 plus b lambda, comma z1 plus c lambda. Then any point lie on the line x plus 2 upon 3 equal y plus 1 upon 2 equal z minus 3 upon 2 is in the form x1 plus a lambda, means minus 2, the value of x1 is minus 2 plus 3 lambda, y1 plus b lambda, means value of y1 minus 1 plus b lambda, and z1 is 3 plus 2 lambda. This point lie on this line. Now point 1, 3, 3 is at a distance of 5 units from this line. Then the distance between this point and any point on this line is equal to 5 units, means let the required point is this. Is minus 2 plus 3 lambda, comma minus 1 plus 2 lambda, comma 3 plus 2 lambda. Now the distance between this point and this point is equal to 5, and we find the value of lambda. Put the value of lambda in this equation, in this term, and get the required point. Means let it is A. Then we get AP equal 5 unit, means the distance between 2 point, which is given by square root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square, means x2 minus x1 minus 2 plus 3 lambda minus x1, which is 1, plus y2 minus y1 means minus 1 plus 2 lambda minus 3, plus z2 minus z1 means 3 plus 2 lambda minus 3 square equal 5. Now squaring both terms, we get minus 3 plus 3 lambda plus minus 4 plus 2 lambda and 4 lambda square equal 25. Now open the bracket, we get 9 plus 9 lambda square minus 18 lambda plus 16 plus 4 lambda square minus 16 lambda plus 4 lambda square equal 25. Now 9 lambda square, 4 lambda square and 4 lambda square, which is 17 lambda square minus 34 lambda and 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25, and it is cancelled. Then we get 17 lambda square. We get two values of lambda, means lambda equal lambda and 17 minus 17 lambda minus 34. Then the value of lambda is given by lambda equal 0, 2. Now put these value in this equation and get the required point. Means points are firstly we put 0, but this point is the point in which this line passes. Another point we put lambda equal 2, means lambda equal 2 means 6 minus 2, which is 4, 4 minus 1, which is 3, and 2 to the 4 plus 3 is 7, and this is the required point.